have our follow ha.
After siya, pero pa yung iyo. Dali, dali. Ay!
Praise to our Savior.
Okay, dali na. Go. Come here, Shell. Sit down here. Ah. Mercy never fails me. All I need is I'll be held in your hand. Dali, dali, Shell. Sit down here.
Yan, likod lang.
Lift
Apa, likod?
up, lift up. Ayun na. Ay, dali, dali. We have our follow ha. You don't need to be scared. Sa dera na, Chong. Ana, hang hands dire siya. Sa piling mo, aming igaya. Dahil sa'yo. Very good. Need to cry ha. Dire, sit down dire. Sit down here. Sit down if you want. If you don't want, ayaw. Sit down here. You sit down here. Sit down here. Okay, Chong, dali, reading ta. So, ay, dili mo appeal si Ishael. Hey! What letter is this one? Ay, what letter is this? A is for apple. A, Dali lang. No, it's letter A. This one is, what letter? E. Oh, put it there. A.
It's not an E.
This one is,
Mommy.
oh, sit down here. If you want to join,
Sugar.
no, sugar. Letter
Lies.
I.
Open your mouth.
This is A. This is E.
Johnny.
Sit down there.
Johnny. Eating sugar. Telling lies.
No.
Open your mouth.
Ina, this is vowels. A, E.
No.
This is O. O.
Angry.
You sit down there.
I'm so angry.
Why are you angry? Wait, bad. Wait, that's bad, huh? You want to hurt your mama? It's bad. No. Not this one. Not this one. This is for later. If you want to join, you sit down there. You need to follow your mommy. You need to follow your teacher. You need to follow your elders. You're not allowed to get angry on your own, okay? You're not allowed to make your own decision. You need to follow your mama. If you don't want to follow, okay. If you want to join, if you want to learn, you sit down here. What letter is this?
M.
M. Very good. It's A, E, O, U. Oh, put it there. This is our alphabet. A. A is for apple. B is for, what's this?
Ganda siya, oh.
Exactly, what letter is this? What letter is this?
Four.
What letter?
Four.
B. Oh. B is for
P is for
bananas.
bananas.
B. What's the next letter?
C.
C. C is for?
Cow.
Huh?
Cow.
C is for cow. What's the next letter? What's next? Oh, what's the next letter? What letter is this? D.
T.
What letter is this? Oh, which one the next letter? The K or the D?
T.
Oh, you put it there. Next letter is? Read sa diri. Oh, what's this?
Apple.
A, B, C, D. Oh, what's next? Hoy, to sit down there if you want to join. Mura ko tag-E. Ano na? Tara, strong o. E, F. What's the next? Next sa F? Is letter. Say next sa F is letter G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, what's that N? N, O, where's the letter O? O is gone. You can use this one. O, P, Q, R, S, Q, P, Q, R, where's the letter R? S, T,
Dili
U,
kapil ha.
papila na.
Last dili siya kapil pa yung makiyo. Dali, dali.
W,
Ano na kuna? Ate! Dali! Dali!
ang letter O. O, dara, Chong. Dala, dali, Chong, o. Sing, dali, dali, dali.
Ano?
Sige na na. Sige na, dali.
Sinagot ang gabi.
Sige na na.
Abot!
O. Gamaya mo, dali, kayo ni. Robert, gamay kayo na explain ng landing. Okay na nino. Ito na na yun.
C. No, there's no C. There is C.
Ayun, pinatan niya
Si-
si Elno.
Ako na. C. Now we start our everything. Okay. Sit down. Wow. Wow.
Si Elno. Hindi ha, pwede ha. Hindi pwede. Dali, dali. Dali na. Lay down, I surrender now. Asa naman na XYZ? Oh. Kanara, tanan imong letter nga kinahanglan.
U, B, W.
Oh, you need to practice writing, Shael. Practice writing na ta.
O, B, W, X, Y, Z.
Yeah, wait, later. Wait sa.
Kung saan ang pang yung letter day?
Ha?
Dili, letter.
Pagkalangging na, phone case o puwan. Hoy, kalangging na. Naka-order man siya phone case o atong screen ba sa iyang sangina.
Nay kami.
Isa.
Nay kami. Ano tawag?
Ayun o niya, nana. Wala, sa taklobin na bigay mo upas. Sige, uno-uno di siya ila. Wala po kay ko. Dali na lang.
Ano siya mabit?
Hindi.
So, pangaligo sa mo, be. Take a bath ito, Shell. Take off your clothes. Faster. Oh. Straight line. This is half blue to blue. Ah, wait. Line. Like that. Next is, not yet. Next is circle. How to draw. Next is, first is curve. Curve. And a small curve. And a big circle. And a small circle. Okay. What color do you like, Joe?
I want green. I want green.
Oh, green. Oh.
Green.
Ishel is... Ang kay Ishel kay... Hoy, mag-abot dire. Oh, I'm going to put here a small straight line. And isa ka limon. This is a small straight line. Red to blue and a small diagonal line. Okay, are you ready? Inchong, who's first? Oh, ikaw. Draw a straight line first. Dire, blue to blue. You like that or ato ipana? Oh. Oy, it's okay. This is Inchong. Ay, no, it's okay. It's okay, no? Ako kay guide.
Kaya, bulingon eh.
One more.
Ay, taras na sa
One
loob.
more dila. Oh, one more.
Kaya.
Very good. Ishel na po, Ishel. Straight line, come here. Write a straight line here. Follow this one. Oh, chata.
Straight line.
Oh, straight line. Come here. Oh, it's your turn. Hey. Write a straight line, Ishel. Come here, oh. Straight line. Oh, here.
Baka sa lawas.
Very good. Oh, next is Inchong. Straight line, Chong. Dire. Okay, straight line. Dire. Blue to blue. Starts from the blue line to blue line. Very good. Oh, Ishel again. Abe. Where's the cover? Nasa taklong. Ishel, dali. Come here. Oh, straight line. Ishel. Oh, straight line sa dire. Blue to blue. Starts from the blue line. Down to blue. Oh, very good. Oh, Chong. Dali na, Chong. Oh.
What do you do, guys? Do you
Uy, dili na. Uy, apil na. Dali, Ishel. One more, Ishel. You want to try here? Okay, go. Diagonal. Starts from here. Go. Dili. Anak, kung pagunit o na. Ana. One more. Ikaw.
Alright.
Very good. One more. Later, Ishel, come here. Alright, as diagonal line. Blue to blue.
Alright.
Very good. Oh, here, the small one. Red to blue. Oh, this one, the straight line. Small one. Very good. Enough. Oh, Ishel.
Dali!
Para nas iring. Ali, kani, curve. Ishel, draw a curve.
Mamay! Tawa si Bruno!
Si Bruno. Ali, the curve ta.
Si
You want to
Bruno!
curve,
Tatay,
Ishel,
tawa si
curve.
Bruno!
Big curve.
Tuwat, Bruno.
Big curve. Ay, dito. Ang kanina. Curve. And then a small curve. And then a circle. More circle, more. Here.
Ako.
Any curve. Curve. From here to here. One more. Ikaw, Dre. Okay, curve na, Dre. Curve. Ayaw. Ano, curve. Curve. One more. One more curve.
Circle.
O, Dre, sa small curve. Oh, small curve. Okay. Okay, go. Curve. O, letter O. Ang O kay, dire, ana ng O. Circle. Oh. Okay, blue to blue. Dire, sugod ka, dire. Ana, O. One more. Dire. Dire, okay, circle. Wrong. Dire. Na, circle. Circle. Okay, ikaw. Dali, circle, dali ah. Oh, circle. Gitan diri. Dira. Ana. Okay, follow that one. Follow. Okay, follow. Okay, follow. Very good. Try a small circle. Okay, small circle. Oh, okay, ikaw. You hold, asan tayo yung ball? You hold your ball here. Oh. Ana yung ball. Okay, ana niya. Okay. Okay, right. Right, a circle. No, starts here. Top. Para digit ka mag-reset. Na. Again. Curve sa ano, okay, ikaw. Okay, circle. Okay, circle. J1. Mana, finish? This is our day 1. Mostly ako yung okay, I'm going to pack away this one. Okay? Next one ako ni.
John,
Next time.
ta. John. Walk, ta.